This is amazing. This is super cool. I love Volkswagen models, full size and miniature, but this is really cool with the printing.
Yeah, I did my name there.
This is amazing. Oh, damn, dude. That's amazing.
Hey guys, my name is Dan Hanush and this is first video in English on this channel. I want to try new things. I think today is the best day to make video in English because I'm going to Wolfsburg to meet Jamie Orr again after a year, and I want to not show you but tell you the story why I'm going there, because 2 days ago we came back from Wolfsburg and Jamie posted info about a meet in Wolfsburg with a whole group from America, Mexico and stuff like that. I think it's a really nice thing to do that for the people, and actually I want to end whole series about the project Wolfsburg Mark II in Wolfsburg, because the whole idea was inspired by Jamie Orr to build a car for the one event, which was the Wolfsburg 2019. I love what he is doing, and it was my inspiration for this car, because I wanted to build a car with the rarest thing possible that I can find. And a lot of things I bought in USA. I was last year, and like I said, I met Jamie Orr in Pennsylvania at the event called VAC Fair.
Dobrý den. That is all of my Czech. I'm really sorry. Yeah, so welcome to VAC Fair. I'm Jamie Orr. Yeah, Czech Republic is amazing. I've been there to drive a few times, and yeah, hopefully we'll see you in Worthing.
Yeah, we will. Okay.
Awesome, dude.
Thank you so much.
This is amazing that you are showing the Czech Republic VAC Fair, our little Pennsylvania show with so many happy people and cool cars being seen in Czech. It's amazing.
It was really nice, and I want to show him the car. I bought this car, I think it was 6th October. I'm not sure, but I think it was 6th October. So it's half a year of build. You can see a whole series on my channel, and I want to show you one thing which is important in this video. Here, the pen, because I want to ask him if he can sign the car on the dashboard over there. Like I said, it was inspired by him, and I think it will be like a cool ending for this project. The car is not 100% done, but it's almost done. It needs to go low because we packed a lot of things to Wolfsburg. I cannot, you know, put it low, but I'm working on that. Now I just cruising around by myself, and yeah, I'm somewhere between the Wolfsburg and Děčín, which is my hometown. It's almost 400 kilometers to there, and someone is calling me, but let's go to the Wolfsburg. So I made it to Wolfsburg, and I'm in front of the what it's called, the museum. Oh, okay. My windshield is really dirty, cannot focus. So I have plenty of time. Right now it's 4 o'clock. I never been in this museum because there are some different cars than in Autostadt, because in Autostadt I was there 2 times. Actually I was there for the Christmas event. It was really nice. Definitely, if you go there to Wolfsburg in front of the Christmas or around the Christmas Eve, definitely you should go there. It's really nice, the events and stuff like that. And now I will go to this museum and I will take you with me. So I hope you will see me and hear me, because first time I trying the gimbal what I bought, and right now I'm inside of the museum. It costs €6, so I think it's really nice price. And should it be all over there? So we are on a place, Jamie is there and the whole crew. So I want to show you just the cars. It's amazing how you can see the cars in a real person, because I didn't saw Jetta in Europe. I saw it last year in the US, but not like this customized, or I don't know how to say it. You definitely know what I want to say. So we are with here with Jamie Orr, and he will sign the car for me. It's awesome. What do you think about
this? This is amazing. This is super cool. I love Volkswagen models, full size and miniature, but this is really cool with the printing.
Yeah, I did my name there.
This is amazing. Oh damn, dude, yeah. That's amazing.
I finished 2 days ago when I.
This is amazing.
From Port to Z, so.
The full-size car is really cool, but this also is incredible. I have some made to match my cars, but we never do the whole back. Yeah, with the signature, like you're Magnus Walker. That's what you are right now. You're Magnus Walker. Oh my gosh, awesome. This is really cool. All right, we need to. Well, let's
Okay, it will switch.
Let's go with this thing, but afterwards I'm gonna take a photo with this, because this is mind-blowing. This is really cool.
So I will give you the pen, and there's the pen, and here's the pen, and you can find it somewhere on the dashboard.
I don't
Pick
know.
Your place.
I don't know if we're translating this. I just want to say this is a clean dashboard, and I feel like I'm ruining it a little bit. So yeah, it's okay. There's a very small little crack, and it's okay. Yeah. Look at this, the Votex console with the Polo cup holders. This is cool. This is really good, dude. I'm impressed.
Thank you so much. It's awesome. It's
awesome. Thanks for letting me write on your dashboard. All right. And,
thank you so much.
Dobry den, Czech Republic.
Yeah.
And in Polish and Dziękuję, but I don't know in Czech. So thank you. Really, this is so cool. Take the pen away from me before I make more of a mess. Dude, your black headliner?
Yeah, I did it by myself.
I see, dude. That's awesome.
Because the original ones were like hard to find, so
but
I did
everything. It all looks good. This, maybe you painted this?
No. This is the original one,
okay.
But this is like by me.
I'm impressed, dude. I'm impressed. Wait, single side heated? No. Are we still recording right now? Look at my face. I like rare parts. I've never seen this.
Yeah, really hard to find.
Where did you find it?
It was on a junkyard.
No.
Yeah.
So you pay
just
€2 or zlotys or whatever you spend in
Czech crowns.
Crowns, okay. Now I just sound like a dumb American. Damn, look at that craziness. Oh, I love it. It's so cool. Dude, thank you for sharing it with me, really.
Thank you for the inspiration.
This is really cool.
Thank you so much. So it's the next day. I came home around 3 o'clock in the morning, so I was tired. So I'm shooting the video right now. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So I think it was best ending for this project, the Vortex Mark II project. This was the best ending that I can imagine to show him the car. So what's more? I don't know. And he signed the car here, so I can show you. I'm really glad that he did. So it's here on the dashboard, the sign. So yeah, I'm speechless. It was a nice ending of whole project, and it was nice meeting you, Jamie, again. Also the other guys from Mexico, you know, from America, and also Germany. The guy with the Mark II, with the X1 kit by Kamei, and also the, you know, the heck blend by Tracer and whole door by Tracer. I was really speechless because I never saw it. It was the rarest thing I think that I saw for the Mark II. I can put the picture into the video so you can see what I mean. But I never saw it in a person and also on the internet. So it was really rarest part for me that I saw for Mark II, and he said that it cost around 1,500 euros or 2,000 euros. So, and he have 2 sets of the glass and the whole door with the Tracer. So that's really cool, and maybe I can put the, you know, his Instagram into the video, so you can look. He had really good parts on a car. So I just want to say thank you for watching this video, and if you like this whole idea to go to Wolfsburg to sign the dashboard by Jamie, consider to hit the subscribe button, because more projects are coming for next year. This wasn't the last project what I did, I'm sure, definitely. I can show you, I have a lot of cars here to work on, so more videos are coming. I'm not sure if in English, but I will try my best to do it in English, because my English is not so good. But I will try my best, because I want to challenge myself more and more. And yeah, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you like this whole idea. So see you guys next video, I guess. Bye.